Hello, this is Ash back with you with the information you've requested in regards to your founder position. And I hope you're having an amazing day. And I really want to applaud you for being serious and looking for something to improve your financial future. So let's get going. But first, let's do a flashback and refresh some of the information I already shared with you. By now, you should know that I have been in the industry, internet marketer full time for well over 15 years, about 13, 14 years just exclusive for one program. Just in the recent years, I opened for the concept of multiple income streams. Okay, so perhaps many of them didn't go well, and we've learned a lot, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. So this will be basically the information you need to become a founder. There will be a lot more details as you become a founder, okay? Then we will communicate with you with some private channels. Everything has been set up, and I hope you can make it to the founders. As of now, we are still accepting and reviewing some basically positions and applicants for the founder position. I hope you can make it. Okay, it's really a matter of first come, first serve, as fast as you act. So I hope you act like a ninja. Perhaps if you like what you see here, so I'm going to give you sufficient for fair information to help you make that decision. Now, if you make the decision you want to become a founder, I hope you take that decision right away. Try not to sleep on it or think about it, because it's really almost like a no-brainer. But let's walk you through the information. So we took a chance to see countless of opportunities, programs, different products, different actually fields and industries, from the travel, the cryptocurrencies, the trading, the forex, the digital, health, wellness, internet products, educational products, all of it, you name it. We've seen and numerous of opportunities, different prices, different compensation plans. So I can't say we've seen it all, but I think we've seen enough. And unfortunately, most of them ended up to be maybe not that profitable, at least I would say. I'm trying to be polite, really, not to doom anyone. Maybe they're trying. I know everybody would try to do their best to their awareness, okay? So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt that at least most of them have a good intention, but they just don't know what works, or didn't manage to pull out or to pull up something functional, something solid and fit. So when, if you recall, back in December 2017, when I discovered that all of those opportunities for the past couple of years actually were useless and dysfunctional, nothing was worthy at all, the least to say. So I reached out. My first option was to reach out to some of the business owners and really top marketers I know, great leaders. I have a lot of respect and trust in them. So I'm going to give you another confession. So my immediate response to the discovery that there is nothing actually working out there, or at least that I would be excited about, okay, I didn't go immediately to say, oh, I'm going to make it happen. No, so first direction I took, I thought, if somebody could, I trust, and I give ideas, and we come to the table, we tell them this is a perfect model, do it. They definitely succeed, and we get what we want as affiliates, because I'm always like seeing myself as a part of the industry, not as somebody who's dealing with money and products and all of that. So that was the first approach. I gave it a few weeks, but just quickly, it didn't deliver. We got a couple of attempts, but quickly we found that's just going to be, it's going to take maybe the rest of the year to maybe, find out at the end that, well, just another year passed without nailing it. And I want to say something. I don't know what you see here. If you ever felt like what you were pushing for didn't deliver or didn't happen, but you ended up with something better. This is exactly what happened when earlier this year, a few months ago, when I got literally robbed. After, just quickly, immediately after I joined one of those companies, I don't know, I'm not gonna make a official accusation or anything, but when my Bitcoin wallets got robbed, and I got cleaned up, and I got viruses in my computers, my devices, all of that. I got like all my devices got infected, that I had to delete everything and restart and all of that. So that pushed me to shut down for a while. So I was totally disconnected from my Skype, which I basically opened literally the first days of Skype online. One of the first people, I believe, I was on Skype when it was just for limited areas or states. And then what happened is, I just said, you know what, I'm going to keep it closed as much as I can. I didn't respond to phones. My wife calls it you went down to your cave, but it's not a cave, just maybe just the analogy. But I was totally focused 100% on coming up with the the ideal business model that we all would love to have. So just like you, I was fed up with everything out there, and I said that there has to be a serious change, because I'm not going to quit, okay? I'm not going to give up on my dreams. That's never an option. And I just gave up hoping and expecting other businesses to succeed or to really basically help us win. They all failed us. At least I can tell you that as of now. But I said, we're going to take, control of our future, and I'm going to make it happen. There's nothing out there we don't know. We've got the resources, we've got the connections, we've got the experience, we've got the knowledge, we've got the determination, we've got all the qualities, all the crucial elements for success. And I said, I think we could do a better job. I know something long time ago, because if you see something successful and you model it, okay, you end up with similar results. So I was good at that. I didn't see like one whole package that I could just grab from there, but I modeled all the successful elements that I've had in various businesses before, along with various marketing systems and duplication systems and all of that. Plus, respectfully, there are a couple of things out there I said, wow, this is a good thing, but, well, their lack of that one. So it's not a complete thing, but we can take at least one good thing out of them. So I love to apply the 1 and 100% principle or rule. If you heard of it, is like take the 1% that you agree with and give it 100% effort in anything, whether a person or a business or any situation in your life. So I took a few good vital elements from other businesses, and I said, okay, plus what I've known, and discussed that, brainstormed, and added up a big pile of wish list on the table to come up with the complete, if not a perfect, business model. And I know what people are looking for. Let's face it, they're not recruiting anymore. I come to you, you tell me, well, no, Ash, you look at this, okay? And you go to your buddy, they tell you, no, you look at this. This is better. So it's me, me, me. It's like a dog fight, okay? Everybody is anxious and so desperate to get you involved in their thing, and you ask them the next 2-3 weeks or a couple of months the most, how is that business doing? They're definitely in a different business. So it's becoming a chaos. So I definitely know that people are not going to recruit. Let's face it. I mean, I'm talking to you openly, bluntly. I'm not timing myself. I just want to really convey my message to you. If you walk away with this, this is definitely, 3,000%, I don't know why 3,000, but 100% confident that this will impact your financial future dramatically, like in a very good way. So let's put it this way, okay? People are not selling. They quit doing that. They're not recruiting. And if you don't do those two things, there's no money coming home. Plus, if companies are not that reliable in terms of good compensation plan, good pay plan, good math that is right, good product, the whole game, if that is not being done reliably at least, then it's not coming home. So to solve all of this, to give a business model and to do the work that people, we know they're not going to get it done, I think we have got to focus on what works 100%. So I hope by now you're trying to gather, this is definitely standing above the bubbles and making something totally fresh, so unique, never done before, never has been, done or never seen in the industry. So I am proudly telling you this is history or a paradigm shift in the make. So if you're becoming a founder today, you're in it, doing it. So let's focus on what we know works and what's good. So we're not going to say that pass-up models don't work. We've tried a few of those. Or step-ups, like the charity model, which has a lot of money and, but they look just good on the outside, but in reality they are mathematically impossible. We're not going to talk about an affiliate that pays you 1 or 2 tiers. We're not going to talk about a model that you have to pass up or get a few sign-ups just to qualify, or a monthly auto ship for things that you do not use. So I can go on and on. Let's just focus on what works. I know for a fact that a force matrix company-wide works with a lot of spillover. The admin is building that. The in-house force is building that. The leaders, the founders, all the members, perhaps with what you're going to see right now, you're going to understand this is a phenomenon. This is unbelievably unique, and it is super powerful. I believe it's already done in such a way that we're just going to play with it, have fun with it. We're not just going to unleash the power of this phenomenon and say, yeah, we're good to go. No, I want to really live it up, like to every sip